Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here.
I hope there's a red truck under the tree, just for me.
Oh, Santa?
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, Timmy. I've come to bring you a special gift this year.
A special gift?
That's right. Straight from the North Pole, just for you.
You've been a very kind boy this year, Timmy. Christmas is about love, Timmy, not just toys. Here you go.
Thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas, my boy.
Keep spreading that kindness, Timmy.
I will. Thank you, Santa.
Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.